of the year when the good people of Nnewi converge from all parts of the world to celebrate the kingship of His Royal Highness Igwe Orizu CON and to witness the conferment of chieftaincy titles to Professor Kingsley Mohalo, Honorable Chris Azubogu, and a host of others. And Anedo TV is here to give you snippets of events as they unfold, from the red carpet to interviews and to spotlights. Join us as we take you on this journey. My name is Blessing Belong. Stay tuned.
Igwe KON Orizu 3, Igwe Nnewi, Igwe Nejuka, Igwe Chief Dan Ulasi, Okosisi Nnewi,
I bow south.
Chief Dr. Cletus Ibeto, Omekanna ya Nnewi,
Ibeto Group, Daddy Diorama.
Chief Dr. Ifeanyi Patrick Uba, Ebube Chukwuzo Nnewi, CEO Capital Oil and Gas, Chief Dr. Chika Okafor, Nwachinemelu Nnewi, Chikasin Group,
Daddy Sokwaya,
Chief Dr. Innocent Chukuma, Ifediason Nnewi, CEO Innocent Group,
I salute sir.
Dr. Cosmos Mazuka, CEO Costaris Group,
Anna Mekelegi sir.
Norma, Chief Adadiora Nnewi, Ochile Osuba,
Ezigbo nne
Prince Chiedu Orizu, Ugunaya,
Orizu Motors. My Big Daddy, the symbol of peace in Africa. Your son Ozibi bows. Igwe, Ifatana East Side, Gaijaba Opala. During Christmas, Gaijaba Opala.
Hey, Bagaria. All right.
Joining us on the red carpet is an illustrious son of Nnewi, but would like him to introduce himself to us. Can we meet you?
Okay, thank you. My name is Honorable Nonso Smart Okafor. I'm the Honorable Member representing Nnewi North Constituency in the Anambra State House of Assembly.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, thank you, Honorable Smart Okafor. Now, my question to you will be short and simple. First, Ofala every year is celebrated by the good people of Nnewi, and it's a time where the people come together to celebrate the king and his kingship. What do you think the people derive, the kind of joy they derive, and what is the significance of the Ofala to the good people of Nnewi?
Oh, thank you very much. I think it's Ofala Festival is an annual show. It's something that we do every year. It's where we come to pay homage to the king, our Igwe Dr. KON Orizu, the third Igwe Nejoka, CONJP, Onukwu Igwe. So it's a time we come to pay homage to him and celebrate our cultural heritage, because Ofala is one of the strong cultural heritages of Nnewi, and we do it every year. It's a way of also enhancing peace in town. As you can see, you notice that the king is not just alone. The other Obis are here. Obi of Uruagu is here. Obi Umudim is here. Obi Newich is here. So it's a way we celebrate the unity that exists in Nnewi. So it's our cultural heritage, and we appreciate it and we celebrate it every year.
Okay. As a member representing your constituency, what would you say are some of the developments your constituency has experienced so far, and what are we to look out for in the coming years?
Well, thank you very much. Of course, one of the things I've tried to do since I took over as honorable member representing Nnewi is to put Nnewi in the map of the state. When I mean putting Nnewi in the map of the state is that whatever that concerns Nnewi must concern state government, which is where I work presently. Of course, as honorable member representing Nnewi, one of the key projects I'm very much proud of is the erosion control project that I attracted with the support of other Nnewi stakeholders. That is 100-foot road erosion site, which became a menace to this town. And through the instrumentality of the governor, after so much push, the governor came to construct that erosion site. And we are very happy with that. And of course, you may have also known that I've done a couple of projects, especially for the widows, the 3 widows that I built houses for in Nnewi, and that of Otolo Mozo Mbana Otolo, the toilet projects for Ekamangu to stop open defecation in Ekamangu and other things, and so many other things. There are so many also in the offing. 2021 also promises to be another good year. I can only say that it can only get better. That's the much I can assure you. So my function in the State Assembly has been to represent Nnewi, to the best of my ability, to speak for them and represent them in all its ramifications. Apart from projects, we've done a lot of other things. Of course, I'm the first honorable member to sponsor a bill in Anambra State House of Assembly for this 7th Assembly, the Anambra Youth Development and Empowerment Commission Bill 2020. And of course, it has passed 3rd reading and is now on the governor's desk. Of course, there are other ones we're also working on. By 2021, we'll be introducing a bill in the State Assembly, a bill that will talk about promoting and modernizing the Ebo Boy system of Nigeria, of Ndibo. Because of course you will agree with me that the Ebo Boy system of Ndibo has raised a lot of billionaires in the past. And we feel that also is an informal form of education, and we should be able to have an institute, a business institute, that when somebody finishes learning trade for 5 years, he should be able to be certified as a person that have passed through that, so that the person will not just be in Nkwo as Oyena boy. He should also have a certificate that shows that this person is skilled in this thing. So that is what I'm working on, and I'm sure it will be better early next year.
Okay, so finally, before this, I'd like to say thank you for all you've been doing for the good people of Nnewi. Now, finally, what are your congratulatory messages to the Igwe? He is listening, he is watching you. What do you want to tell him?
Oh, Igwe, Nuku Igwe Nejoka. My congratulatory message to Igwe is that God, His infinite mercy, will continue to keep him alive for us. Igwe will continue to be strong, hale and hearty, body and mind. We will continue to celebrate this Ofala festival even in next 10-20 years to come, and he's going to be celebrating it in good health. You saw how he was walking majestically. He's going to be walking majestically like this in the next 15-20 years, and we're going to be celebrating Ofala. So we appreciate Igwe, and we say that Ochichi Adayarumma, of course, his reign on the throne has been a primary thing that kept Nnewi peaceful, and we pray that God will continue to give him that strength, give him that grace to continue to lead us aright.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, Igwe Nnewi side Babegu. Igwe Ibatana east side like Baba Ofala. Egu Oma. During Christmas like Baba Ofala. Egu Oma. Ekwanje wa woriye. Egu Oma. Nnewi gbabara megu. Egu Oma. Ekwenje jemba. Egu Oma. Anambra gbabara megu. Egu Oma.
His Royal Igwe Nejuka, Chief Dan Ulasi, Okosisi Nnewi,
I bow south.
Chief Dr. Cletus Ibeto, Omekanna ya Nnewi, Ibeto Group,
Daddy Diorama.
Chief Dr. Ifeanyi Patrick Uba, Ebubechukwu Ụzọ Nnewi, CEO Capital Oil and Gas, Chief Dr. Chika Okafor, Nwachinemelu Nnewi, Chikasin Group,
Daddy Sokwaya.
Chief Dr. Innocent Chukuma, Ifediason Nnewi, CEO Innocent Group,
I salute you, sir.
Dr. Cosmos Mazuka, CEO Costaris Group,
Anna Mekelegi, sir.
Norma, Chief Adadiora Nnewi, Ochile Ozuba,
Ezigbo nne
Prince Chiedu Orizu, Ugunaya,
Orisu Motors. My Big Daddy, the symbol of peace in Africa. Your son Ozibi bows. Igwe. Ibatana East Side. Gaijaba Opala. Egu, egu, egu oma. During Christmas, Gaijaba Opala. Egu, egu, egu oma. Egu anje wa wariye. Egu, egu.
All right, we are still on the red carpet of the Ofala of Igwe Orizu, CON of Nnewi, and I am flanked by two wonderful people by my left and right side. But first, they would have to do the introductions. What's your name, sir?
My name is Engineer Chief Chris Emeka Azubogo, member representing Nnewi North South and Ekwusiko Federal Constituency in the National Assembly, and today by special grace of God conferred with the title of Ifeanyi Chukwu Nnewi by Igwe Orizu with my wife.
All right. Okay. All right. Thank you, Honorable Chris and Mrs. Chinwe, for joining us. First, I'd like to congratulate you on this conferment of this chieftaincy title. And my question to you first is, this conferment, what does it mean to you?
I was told by Igwe himself that it's in recognition of what I've done for the community, and that he's begging me that by this conferment is a recognition for what I've done and asking that I will do more for people and mankind. But for me, it is service unto God.
How many can worldwide? How many can worldwide? Because this is the profile of Right Honorable Engineer, now Chief Chris Emeka Azubogo, current member representing Nnewi North, Nnewi South, and Ekwusiko in the Federal Constituency. He was born in the year his mates were born, and it is written, and what is written is written. And his constituency projects are uncountable. They are so uncountable that they have been called and named Mr. Project. There is no single project except Chris Ngige, former governor of Anambra State. That there's no federal project in Anambra State that Chris Azubogo has no hand in. Please clap him. Clap for him. Clap for him. For that kind of statement to be made by Ngige, it is not frivolous. It is very weighty. His political history is here and is known by all and sundry. His passion is harnessing technology to improve efficiency in governance. His deep-rooted interest in youth and women development, infrastructural development, rural economic re-engineering, and poverty reduction are his forte in politics. Verily, verily, I say unto us, nobody who is here, who comes from a community in the federal constituency, can honestly say that Chris Azubogo has not touched his life one way or the other, either by road or by medical by medical action, by financial donations, by scholarships, by all and sundry. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Ikwe in council, with utmost humility, I present to you, this is your son. In him you are well pleased. Please, Azubogo, to be given a deserving new chief council title, which is not common.
Nne mmecha iwe ife kụnata ya isi ya ka okwu a n'abalị. Ọ bụ ka nke buru ibu nke ụda egwu Ifeanyị Chukwu Ifeanyị Chukwu Nnewi
Igwesa na-eji ejide ka ọrụ ọka n'ebe ọrụ bifọ.
Ọ ya alụ ya. Diego. Madam, kunitaze.
Chief Engineer, the Right Honorable Chris Azubogo, henceforth has the Chief Council title of Ifeanyi Chukwu Nnewi. Tony Ifeanyi Chukwu Nnewi. Ifeanyi Chukwu Projects Nnewi. Honor Mr. Project. Mr. Project Nnewi. I clap for him. Clap for him. Clap for him.